Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new box from the Turtle Journal. This is June's box, so let's have a look in it. So the theme is birds. You get vintage bird pattern paper pack, robin pet stickers, textured cardstock in ivory and greens, postage stamp pet sticker roll, twin twine with bird journal. Okay, let's have a look at some of the examples. They look nice. I'll do it like that so that there's no glare. Oh, I like these. Looks interesting, so let's have a look. So freebie is a couple of leaves. This looks like the pet stickers. I'm going to try and get this off without... Yeah, that's Willow deciding there's someone on the TV that he wants to bark at. Undo this a little bit of that so we can have a bit of a look. And this is what they look like. They're nice. I like ones with the teddy bear on. Look at that. I do like them. And back up and stick it down so it doesn't unroll. What else have we got in here? Oh, some robin stickers. That's typical. Start doing a video and all the noises in the house start. That's the ice maker. Right, let's have a look at some of these. We've got some robins there. Kind of cute. They're sort of the same. This one's a bit... Oh, that one's by itself. That one's different. Oh. Have we got other ones that are different? Oh, they've got two of these, or a couple of these, the same. I think this is the same, but the opposite way. So they're cute. I'll just put them over there and I'll try and put them back in. Oh, what's this? Plant collection. Oh, different coloured papers in greens. Okay. And we've got some like green ribbon and a little bird charm there. Oh, leaf twine that is. And let's have a look at this one. These look nice. Okay, we've got 3 of those. And 2 of those. And those. And nice. I like that one. Okay, so that looks like everything in the box. Yep, that goes in the worm farm. So that's it, it's all here. I'll have to get my thinking cap on and see if I can come up with something. Oh, wait a minute, I'll just put it down here there so that's everything there. And we'll see what we can make. So thank you for joining in. Have a great day until the next time. Please take care of yourself, your family, and the people you love. Bye for now.